Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question number 414, third maximum number. Right? Given an integer array nums, return the third distinct maximum number in the array. If the third number does not exist, return the maximum number. Like first nums 3 to 1, output is 1, the third maximum number. In this, like the 2, because the first is 2, second is 1, and third distinct number does not exist, so maximum 2 is written instead 2. The third maximum does not exist, return max. Okay, if the third does not exist, then we return the max number, right? And distinct number are 3, 2, 1 in this, then the third maximum is 1. So step is like, approach is like, we can use a 3 variable to keep the track of the first, second and third maximum distinct number. Initialize first, second and third, and with long minimum, iterate over the array and skip the duplicates, and update the maximum variable accordingly. If the third is still long minimum, it means the third maximum does not exist, so we return the first, otherwise return third. Let's try in the code. First we initialize int long first equals to long minimum, second long minimum, and also as the third long minimum. Then go take a for loop. If long nums num if the num equal to first or num equals to second or num equals to third, the code will be continue if num is less than first, the third equals to second, and second equals to first, and first are going to equals the num. Take one more condition, else if the num is second, then third going to second and second going to num. And take one more condition, else if num is greater than third, then third going to the num, and at the end return the third equals to long mean if first or third, right? Let's try. It works. We use the instead of int to handle the edge cases with the int minimum. Skip duplicates using the if num first, num second, num third. Update the first, second, third max values correct while iterating. At the end, check if the third was updated. If not, return first, and if updated, return the maximum, third maximum, right? Thank you.